To install xlwing, first of all, you must have a Python org installed on your PC. After that, go to the command prompt and type pip install xlwings. Before entering the installation process, let me confirm you that in my Excel software, I don't have xlwings tabs after help or a view tab. Now confirming that I am hitting enter button on a command prompt, the downloading process takes place on its own. Let it get completely downloaded. It may take several minutes. Now I am giving a command to install xlwings add-ins. This not recognized error comes just because the path does not defined properly. Let me fix it. I'll press Windows R on a keyboard and search for sysdem.cpl. This will take you to the System Properties windows. Click on Advanced and then Environment Variables. Now in a System Variables, double click on a path, choose New and paste the path that is suggested on a command prompt over here. Hit OK and save the data and exit the command window. Now open a fresh command prompt. Now I got not recognized warning several times, but I started from the beginning, say as pip install xlwings, and I got requirement already satisfied message. Now again I entered xlwings add-in install, which made successfully install the xlwings add-in. Here we go. Now if we check with Excel, the xlwings tabs is available after help tab. Installing xlwings is that easy. Now it's time to learn more about xlwings in Excel. For that, follow our channel by hitting a subscribe button and also a like button. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.